One perk to participating in a community-supported agriculture program, or CSA, is getting locally grown leafy greens. Greens of all varieties, especially those dark leafy ones, they're high in fiber and they're packed full of good-for-you vitamins and minerals. Getting a daily dose of dark greens offers numerous health benefits for your heart, your mind, and your immune system. But not everyone is a fan. So sneak greens into your everyday routine by slipping spinach into your smoothie. Now trust me, when you blend a handful of spinach with your favorite fruit or yogurt, you will reap all the health benefits without even noticing any of the taste. Or you can try sauteing them into your eggs. You can add sauteed turnips, greens, kale, or spinach into your egg scramble, mix them in your omelets, bake them in a frittata, and you're gonna have a protein and veggie-filled meal. Now, here's a bonus tip. Massage kale before eating to help break down the tough cell structure and give your kale a soft texture and a gentler flavor. Just hit a bowl of kale with a pinch of salt and a squeeze of lemon or even a splash of vinegar, and then like it sounds, just start crunching them between your hands. But just for a few minutes, you don't want to overdo it, and you're gonna have a bowl of kale that's much nicer to eat. Now, if you use these tips, your daily greens will be fit to eat.
For more Fit to Eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.